Good afternoon, my dear children. Hope you are all keeping fine. Here we can move to our new topic, output devices. Last class we had already studied about the input devices, isn't it? Yes, what are output devices? The devices through which we get the results are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, plotter and speaker. Monitor is the most commonly used output device, isn't it? And there are three types of monitors. CRT monitor, cathode ray tube monitor, LCD monitor, liquid crystal display monitor, LED monitor, light emitting diode monitor. The another name for monitor is VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. Okay, then comes printer. Printer is an output device and it is used to take printouts. Then plotter. Plotter is also an output device. It is used to take good quality drawing, print of the good quality drawings, and it is commonly used in desktop publishing. Okay, then comes speaker. Speaker is also an output device and it is used to take the output, is to give the output as sound or voice. Okay, is it clear, children? Thank you.
Children, here we can start output devices. An output device displays the result of the input after it has been processed. The commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter and speaker. Monitor. A monitor is one of the most familiar output devices. It is also called Visual Display Unit, that is VDU. The images that we see on a monitor are made up of tiny dots called pixels. The clarity of the images depends on the number of dots on the screen. There are three types of monitors. CRT monitor, cathode ray tube monitor. LCD monitor, liquid crystal display monitor. And LED monitor, light emitting diode monitor. Printer. A printer is an output device that allows us to print our work on paper. There are three types of printers: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Dot matrix printers work like a typewriter, and the printer head strikes the paper and the ink ribbon to print characters. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer are called non-impact printers because there is no contact between the printer head and the paper. Printing is done line by line by spraying ink on a sheet of paper. Laser printer. Laser printers are also non-impact printers that use laser beams to print on paper. These printers are much faster than inkjet printers and the print quality is superior. Plotter. A plotter is a special purpose output device. It is used to print good quality drawings, and it is mainly used in desktop publishing offices. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to the audio output of a computer.